Here you see the commissioning of the TireMoni TM-240R and TM-260R. You will first see an overview, then we will go through the steps. The easiest way is to do the steps in this order. First the system is programmed. Then comes the installation on the vehicle. Programming is done in 5 easy steps. First, the units of measurement are set. This is menu item A. Then the vehicle type is selected with menu C. As a third step, the relay is added in menu D. And then in menu E the sensors are added. Finally, menu B sets the warning thresholds for pressure and temperature. This completes the programming and you can install the system on the vehicle. First, connect the display device to the power supply. For this you can use the supplied adapter for the cigarette lighter. Then you have to connect the relay to the onboard voltage. Or you operate it with batteries, they last for a holiday season, i.e. 3 to 4 months. At the end you screw the sensors on the valves. Take care with twin wheels, sensors must not be screwed onto plastic extensions. This completes the installation. In the next sections, we'll look at the individual steps in detail, so that you can follow each key press.